All right, so I have a number of products selling in India, and I flipping love India as a marketplace. Fastest growing e-commerce marketplace in the world, 1.3 billion people in India, more millionaires in India than there are people in New South Wales. There is a lot of money to be made selling things in India. However, it is a royal pain in the ass to get yourself set up to sell in India. It is the most frustrating thing that you will possibly go through, but the rewards are there should you do it. So what do you need to sell in India? Well, the big thing that you need, and the thing that creates all the problems, is a bank account. A bank account. And that seemingly innocuous thing is actually a Pandora's box of bureaucracy in India to get. So if you're in a situation where you are in India and you've got friends in India and they will open a bank account for you, awesome, you've solved the problem immediately. If, however, you are like me and weren't in India and had no mates, Billy no mates in India, then you must start a company in India and get an Indian director and get your Indian director to open a bank account, and there's a whole raft of different things that are covered in that. And I did actually go through all of this in two different forms. So the first one was I did a training program all about this, which is at rawlocal.com.au/India-success. I'll give everybody the link. Oops. Send to all. That's my training program, which is ludicrously cheap. Or if you want to read about it as well without getting the step-by-steps, then if you just go to amazon.com.au and do a search for Amazon India, then you'll see my book all about starting a business in India too, which is like $1. How cheap am I? Geez, I'm a cheap date. And that's really good too. So there's some good stuff in there. So the main thing is actually the bank account. That's the thing what most people stumble across, and it's because of the way that India is set up. And there's a specific set of things that you must do to get a bank account in India. Once you've done them, bada boom, bada bing, you can sell in India, no dramas at all. So that's what you'll need to do. So I won't go into the whole thing because it's much more time than I have right now, but that's it. As for finding products, well, the same thing applies. As for finding products in any marketplace, just follow the product research that I put together within the AOE training. And it's the same thing applies for India, for Japan, for any marketplace. Same rules apply. But you have to overcome the bank account first. That's your first hurdle. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.